ratchet and bits for this one. And I think I have something for this because I already have a fake, I forget the name. I really forgot the name on this one. Just no, it's not a Drossil, it's shield, tortoise shield. Am I right? But yeah, and again, I just put the correct name on the title, okay? And the whale wave also, I need to find the set, the ratchet. Even it's not the same color, as long as it's the same ratchet, the same height, the same number of contact points, and also the same bit, I will have it. I will really buy it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. So yeah, maybe I will have something, a test battle on this one if I have the correct set for the ratchet and the bit. Yeah, but still, it's a nice one. It's a good one right there. Yeah, see that? See that? See that? I hope you can see it. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, so this is our blade and winning piece and the second winning piece of the different random boosters of Beyblade X. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Check the Lapaz signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off, even it's not a Gunpla. That's it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Bye. Well, I can see. Bye bye. Bye-bye. I think this is a nice time play. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Peace out.